Hi Sam. Today, we're going to learn a really useful word.
Danach.
Hi Alex. What does
danach,
mean?
It means after that or thereafter in English. It's often used to refer to an action that follows another action. The most common meaning is simply after.
So, it's like when I say, I will eat, and afterwards, I will go for a walk.
Exactly. But watch out for false friends. It might sound like that in English, but it's not about comparison.
How is
danach,
used grammatically?
Good question.
Danach.
Is an adverb, so it doesn't change form. It can be used in various sentences. For example, you might say,
Ich esse und danach gehe ich spazieren.
which means I eat, and after that, I go for a walk.
I see. Is there a past tense version?
Not for,
Danach.
since it's an adverb. But you can use it with verbs in past tense. For instance,
Ich habe gegessen und danach bin ich spazieren gegangen.
means I ate, and afterwards, I went for a walk.
Where does this word come from?
Danach.
Comes from the Old Germanic roots. It's made up of meaning there and
Nach.
which means after. It's evolved over the centuries, but its core meaning has remained consistent.
That's interesting. I love how words evolve.
Now let's break down.
Danach.
It's not a compound word, so it can't be split further. However, you can think of it as a combination of its parts.
So it's like assembling Lego blocks in a sense.
Exactly. You can visualize as a point in space and
Nach.
as moving towards a time after that point.
Can you give me some similar words?
Sure. Words with
Nach.
include,
Nachdenken.
which means to think about. Then there's
Nach Hause.
meaning to home. Other examples are
Nachfragen.
meaning to ask again and
Nachschlagen.
which means to look up.
I see, those all have
nach,
at the beginning.
Yes. And if we look at words with the same ending, we can explore.
Langsam.
Meaning slowly, or
Schwierig.
meaning difficult. And for similar patterns, consider
Aufstehen.
meaning to get up or
Mitkommen.
meaning to come along.
How can I use
danach.
In real life.
Great point. Let's practice. Imagine you just finished work. You might say,
Ich gehe nach Hause und danach mache ich Abendessen.
So, I would say, I go home, and after that, I make dinner.
perfect. Now, another situation, you visit a doctor. You might say,
Ich war beim Arzt und danach gehe ich zur Apotheke.
That's I went to the doctor, and afterwards, I go to the pharmacy, right?
exactly. Now, one more, what if you're traveling? You could say,
Ich besuche die Stadt und danach mache ich Fotos.
That would be I visit the city, and after that, I take photos.
yes. You're getting it.
Is there a memory trick to remember the gender?
Since
Danach.
is an adverb, there's no gender to worry about. But if you think of it as a direction in time, you might picture a clock moving forward.
That's a good way to remember it.
Danach.
Is informal, so you can use it in casual conversations. Some collocations include phrases like
Danach fragen.
meaning to ask afterwards and
Danach schauen.
meaning to look afterwards. Just remember not to confuse it with,
Daneben.
which means beside that.
Got it.
Let's go through some example sentences. How about this one?
Wir gehen ins Kino und danach essen wir Pizza.
We go to the cinema, and after that, we eat pizza.
Exactly. And another.
Ich habe gefrühstückt und danach bin ich zur Arbeit gegangen.
That's I had breakfast, and afterwards, I went to work.
Right. Now, can you try this one?
Hat die Prüfung bestanden und danach feierte er.
He passed the exam, and after that, he celebrated.
Perfect. Well done. Here's a quick recall check. What does
Danach.
mean?
It means after that.
Good. Can you give me a sentence with?
Danach.
Sure.
Ich lerne und danach gehe ich schlafen.
Great. How do you use it in past tense?
I would say,
Ich habe gelernt und danach bin ich schlafen gegangen.
Exactly. What about a word that starts with
Nach.
like,
Nachdenken.
yes? And finally, what's a situation where you can use
Danach.
I can use it when talking about my day, like going to the park and afterwards having ice cream.
fantastic job today, Sam. Remember that
Danach.
is a simple but powerful word that helps you connect ideas in time. Keep practicing.
Thanks, Alex. I had a great time learning about
Danach.